luck to both teams coming out. You got your hands already? All righty, here we go.
It was amazing. You guys got that.
T-Birds, you guys are going to have the call. Coaches have already seen it. Here we go. Spartan side is heads, gentlemen. Memorial side is tails. What are we calling, heads or tails? You can call it in the air. Here we go. Heads is called. I thought tails on the tails. Defer to the second. Guys want the ball, right? All right. What side do you want to kick from? All right. Gentlemen, again, good luck. Let's have a good game.
Well, where are you guys kicking? You're kicking here?
Kicking from this side, going this way. Oh, my side going this way.
Let's go! Go, Alex. Hey, get it. Go! Go, Alex. Suck it. Hey, no shoot food. Go easy, fly, DJ Post, hurry. Go, go, go. Go. Right there, Noah. Come, Mikey, man. Go, Mikey. Trap Rick, trap Rick. That'll boy. Alex, gonna box out. Get big, Alex. Get big. Box out. Go. Hey, hey. Oh, what? Noah PG. Here goes. No, pump and go. PG. Whoa. Right there. Go. Short. Run it. Alex. Push. One, two, back. DJ, first stop. DJ, first stop. Alex, flat. DJ, first stop. 1, 2, go. Line it up again. Let me call on the line. Go, DJ, 4. 1, 2, go. Got flat. D got that. Rick, you got middle. Go. 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 Good, D! D flats! Good ball, baby! Got a point! Up! Come on! 1, 2, you're ready. Go! Get him! Oh, Rick! He's over here. You gotta come this way.
Noah, get ready. 1, 2, go! Good middle.
Right here, easy. Oh, no, wrong side, kid. 2, go. What was that, kid? Right there.
Take off, take off.
Christian, you do a quasi, you gotta go high. When you do a quasi, you gotta go. You know what it is? You know what that is?
No, you don't. But you understood, I guess. Yeah.
Hold on, stand there.
Back up, like a little bit. The edge will get out. Get in there, Chris. DJ. Hustle!
Get that flag, guys! Get the flag!
Hey! Santino!
Yeah, Damien, more middle, Damien! There! Go! Go! Go!
Keep going!
Damien! Izzy! 1, 2, go!
Here, watch it! Oh!
Watch the slant, Damien, to the left. 1, 2, flash, Damien!
Oh, he's
Great job, Damien. Great job. You got Miss Rupp. Over there. Watch the flat! 1, 2! Good job, Noah. Way to flat. Damien, you good? Here. Izzy, get closer. 1, 2, go! You guys are playing great defense. Alex, watch the slant. Back up, center. Watch the slant right here. Right there, and get the flat. 1, 2, go! That shouldn't happen. That shouldn't happen. And then they're coming like this, so you're not seeing them. Way out here like this.
One now.
So look both ways. 1, 2, now. T-Bird, take the ball. Air it out. Stay on this side. Noah. I need healthy body.
Outside, be good. Outside.
All done. Chris, I told you over there next to the snapper. Wait, Mike. 1 Noah, 2 Alex.
1, 2, go.
Don't get paranoid right now, dude. Mikey, DJ 7, stop. Noah, 1. Chris, 4. DJ 7, stop.
1, 2, go.
Penalty. However, we're going to have unsportsmanlike after the play, so the play's going to stay where it's at. Hold on. All right, so we got flag guard. That's a 10-yard penalty. We're going to have unsportsmanlike after the play. That's a 10-yard penalty. The play's going to stay right where it's at.
Where we at? Where's the ball?
It's also first warning for unsportsmanlike.
Alex, about 5.
Here we go.
Izzy, Bunny! Bunny! Back up.
Move up, Miles. Jump up. 2, go.
Throw to him.
Right side, James. Joseph. Joseph, move on. 2, go.
Yeah!
Going 2 times. 2 times.
Hey, no.
Air it out on the line.
I need one out.
Lincoln. Lincoln.
Go.
1, 2, Lincoln. Go. 2, Lincoln. Lincoln.
Hey! Oh, yeah,
Quarter, guys, quarter. Air it out, stay here. Go. Turn that field, guys.
All right.
That hit the ground. That hit the ground. Ooh.
Oh, help! Oh, man.
Get up. Get up.
Run! Oh, boy.
Good ball.
Take it down.
Watch the fake handoff. Stay on yours.
Good job, Chris! Oh, doesn't have enough wheels. Get ready.
Noah, be ready.
Hey, Alex, what's the flood here? Fly here.
1, 2, go!
Fly!
Get back.
T-Bird,
Get away, D'Angelo!
Hey, be ready. They're going to try it again. Get ready.
Okay, good hustle. Look at D. Hey, the running back. Yes, sir, baby. That's all good, baby.
Go!
That a boy out there.
Back his flag. Good spot, good spot.
1, 2, go. Money.
Come on, throw, boy.
Go in. Go, boys. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, sir!
And then he slows down. How he's like, he goes like that. I know.
Air it out, take the walk.
So I'm and so like whenever I go hunting.
No, because he's already up 3, right? And then he's just going to put up, Ricky.
1, 2, go!
Fly! The exact opposite of what I told him. That's what
Guys, they gotta go long.
But don't worry about the flats right now.
1, 2, go!
Good job, Izzy.
Man, almost.
Yeah.
There we go.
Go,
Good
guys.
job.
Oh, yeah, boys. Come on, finally.
I know.
We did it. 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 Now we're going to 14 years.
Game, do I call you or how does that work? Oh shoot.
This one, and they're going to give you yours.
Oh, give it to Joseph. Joseph, come here. Come hold the trophy. That's first place. We're gonna give it to them.
This here, spread out. We're gonna, how many are there of these guys right now? Like 30?
I'll subscribe to you guys.
Jimmy, give them 15.
No, guys, you can touch it.
didn't drop it. 2 touchdowns? That's crazy. Jeremiah Smith type. Can I check? I'm gonna be I have this same exact trophy, but silver and I have a basketball one of these. I got a trophy. I gotta take a picture. I have the same one because I played here before and I lost the championship.
Hey,
At least you still got a trophy.
You guys paid your ass off. I'm tired of having to do shit. You know what I'm saying? You keep your head up.
Hey, we beat the number 1 team, didn't we? Yeah.
I think if I had you all season, we fucking great.
Team Bird, you ready? Let's go. Where the money at?
Quarterback? I want you, bro.
No, if I'm not. It's on game.
Okay. Alright, I got another person. Anybody who hasn't got him? Damn, man, you got 2. Who's the coach? Who's the coach?
Hey, bring it in. 13, just 13. Bring it in, bring it in.
Here you go.
You too tough, right? Wait, no.
Bring it in, bring it in.
Yeah, I'm almost there.
Hey, so it's
this kid's in like
you guys
5th grade.
playing this in our winter season.
can't see.
Wait them all out to a championship game. Team Bird, you guys battled it out and got yourselves into a championship game. Right out, you got what you guys did. Both teams should be really, really proud of themselves. I think we're you guys do really great in the game. So hands up high, let's break it up and play hard. You guys go ahead and do it. Get the parents in. Go parents! Hey, get it tighter.
Let's go.
All right, if you're standing next to one that forgot to put deodorant on, just hold your breath. Hey, parents, you got to break it off with the kids. Hands up high, play hard on 3. 1, 2, 3! Play hard! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
What if I just get it and just throw it in the air? Finally!
Put them on. I'll take a picture. So. Oh, good. I don't know if you need them as well.
We'll do pictures here, guys.
Don't let her miss no.
Yeah, I'll take yours.
Yellow, black and yellow.
Hold on, you're missing 2 boys behind you.
Trying to get a shirt
Put a shirt on over here.
He needs no socks.
He's got those gloves on that he doesn't want to take off.
Off to the next season. Congratulations.
Hurry up, put it on.